What if you could create stunning AI-generative videos without ever appearing on camera? Discover how creators are using AI to automate entire YouTube channels, and why artists should pay attention. Faceless YouTube channels powered by AI are exploding right now. From AI-generated visuals to automated narration, creators are building profitable channels without showing their faces. For digital artists, this opens incredible opportunities. Showcase your AI art, build passive income, and reach global audiences. It's a game changer for creative professionals who want to focus on art, not camera time. The process is surprisingly simple. AI tools generate stunning visuals based on your prompts. Text-to-speech creates professional narration. Video editing software stitches everything together automatically. Editing software tools like Midjourney, ChatGPT, and automation platforms handle 90% of the work. You provide creative direction and strategic planning. The AI handles production. Result, scalable content creation without burnout. As artists, automation isn't replacing you. It's amplifying your vision. Use AI to explore new styles, generate reference materials, and test concepts rapidly. Automate repetitive tasks so you focus on high-level creative decisions, producing authentic, unique content that resonates with audiences seeking fresh perspectives on AI art. Start small, pick a niche with audiences seeking fresh perspectives on AI art. Start small, pick a niche within art tempting guides to generate cohesive visuals. Write scripts around trending topics. Automate publishing, scale gradually. Don't chase perfection, initially consistency. In Chabot system, your unique creative voice combined with AI tools creates competitive advantage. Begin experimenting this week. If you're an artist exploring AI opportunities, subscribe for more automation guides. Drop a comment, which AI tool excites you most?